Today, we're gonna be testing out viral 10-minute recipes.
Yong and Tweedledee.
What?
Meow. I cannot stop.
If you're a fan of sushi, then you'll probably be into this recipe. Don't forget to thumb this video!
This mini sushi bake is the perfect meal for when you're craving it but don't want to make a whole big thing. For this one, I'm using canned tuna. The Korean one is my favorite. Then add Japanese mayo, sriracha, and cream cheese. In a small baking dish, layer sushi rice, furikake, the spicy tuna mixture, a drizzle of Japanese mayo, sriracha, eel sauce, and more furikake. Bake or air fry at 400 for 5 minutes until it's nice and toasty. This is the best 10-minute meal, and the canned tuna makes it super easy and cheap too. Top with green onions and enjoy.
Welcome back to the kitchen. For this recipe, we're gonna need canned tuna. My uncle used to call me Tuna as a kid instead of Tina. Hi, I'm Tuna Young. In goes my canned tuna. Kewpie mayo. I don't have sriracha. It's very hard to find the original sriracha. This is the next best thing. And then we need some cream cheese. Yeah.
Are there measurements?
Yes, there are measurements now that I look. We just go with the flow. I think she used a bigger tuna as well, so. If you're after the measurements, I will leave them in my description box. I'll link you the actual video so you guys can follow along. And then we just mix. My mixture is looking good. Let's grab our baking dish and fill it up with some rice. Now, obviously cooking the rice is not included in this cooking time because rice takes a while to cook. I don't have the furikake flakes that she used. I've just got something similar. It's just like the Korean seaweed rice seasoning. Is that a tongue twister? No, it's not. I just can't speak. It makes rice taste yummy. Plop on our tuna mixture. Just smear it. It's looking good, it's looking good. Now, oops, my hair is getting excited. So now we just put, oh my God, this is so bad. I can't talk. I can't talk.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's such a thick line. We're just gonna do stripes. No, we're gonna do blobs. What are we doing?
Connect
Connect.
the blob. Better.
Abstract. I couldn't find the eel sauce, so I just Googled a recipe. You can actually make your own. It's quite simple. You just need 3 things: soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. So I just popped that in a pot and just cooked it and reduced it down a little bit. And I've got my thick eel sauce here. Disclaimer, mine is not gonna look as good as hers. Just drizzle.
Ooh.
Oh, actually, I'm quite good with the spoon.
Okay.
No, I spoke too soon.
Oh.
Yeah. More seaweed, more furikake. Wow, that's looking good. Let's pop that in our air fryer for 5 minutes. My air fryer is a little bit dirty, guys, but you know, just keeping it real. I used it this morning. It smells good. Are we eating it with seaweed? I shall do the first scoop.
So hot.
Why? Okay, I got my bite, but it's really hot. It's really hot. Can you see?
Alfred, close your eyes.
Close your eyes, it's detecting your eyes. Can you see it?
No, higher. It's your eyes now.
It's my eyes. 3 people to show 1 bite. Really? Seriously, guys. I'm just gonna have to go first because my seaweed's getting soggy.
Patients are high now.
You won't be disappointed. No, you wait for ZENN. Go. Cheers. Alf, silence.
Wow.
Wow, right?
Wow, this is very flavorful.
This
guys.
is so good. How is it so good? This is so good.
I'm so not synced with it.
How come you guys are so perfectly in sync?
Because we're one brain cell, that's why. One
Yong
brain
and
cell.
Tweedledee.
And Tweedle who? Who wants the last one? Alf, you can have it. Oh, you can have the silica gel.
Are you gonna kill me?
Wait, we didn't put spring onions.
Oh no, we forgot, guys. It's just a garnish. It's just to make it pretty. It's fine. This is perfect for when you're short on time and you don't want to do any crazy heavy cooking. You know, you just need to assemble everything. And if you already have cooked rice, the rice is going to be the hardest part of this dish. This recipe deserves a double thumbs up. Zed, you missed the memo. You didn't wear black today.
I'm wearing black shorts.
It counts. Okay. Ish. If you need to whip up dinner in 10 minutes, check this out.
Spicy Thai basil chicken. It's quick, easy, and ready in 10 minutes. Chop your ingredients. Add a pan or wok on high heat. Add oil, and when it's hot, Add chilies, shallots, and garlic. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the minced chicken and stir fry until brown. Make sure to break up the chicken into small bits. Add sugar, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Stir fry, then add chicken stock to deglaze. Add Thai basil and stir fry until wilted. Serve with freshly steamed jasmine rice.
Let's tackle this chicken recipe. In goes some oil. In goes chilies, garlic, and shallots. I'm gonna pop in my chicken mince. Whoa. We're making for a family of 5, okay? Might take a little longer than 10 minutes. I will say that it smells good, guys. Just getting there, guys. Well, it's actually only been 5 minutes, so maybe this will only take 10 minutes. I'm ready to add in my sugar now. Did he have measurements? Probably somewhere on a blog, or I don't know. I didn't really see it in the caption. I'll just measure with my heart. We are cooking a bigger portion. Then I'm gonna add in fish sauce, soy sauce. Oh, now we're getting some color. I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce, but I'm using a different brand. It's from Thailand. It's a little bit thicker, so I feel like it'll give me more color. Yes, look at that. I am a chef. Pour in some chicken stock. And then my basil leaves go in. Oh my God, that actually looks legit.
It's looking good, guys.
That's looking legit.
Wow.
Oh, and my camera just hit 10 minutes, and I think that's pretty good. I just really hope that all the chicken's cooked. I don't want family to get sick. It smells legit. It smells so good. It's so fragrant. It smells like a Thai restaurant right now. Okay. Cheers. Oh, Lila, you want to eat? It smells good, right? Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, that's good.
There's so much flavor in this dish. Now, I didn't make this super spicy because the chili I use, it's kind of more like capsicum. But if you guys do like a little bit of a kick, then definitely use like bird's eye chilies. Is it yummy or yucky? Yummy. Yummy, yeah. We do Lila's thumbs up. This dish deserves a double thumbs up. Lila can't do thumbs up yet, so we'll just do double pointers up. Show me your thumbs. 1, 2, 3. Double thumbs up. This is a pretty easy dish to make, guys, and it was pretty true to the timing. It didn't take over 10 minutes to make. Oh, you're ready for the next recipe? Okay. This is what a personal chef eats.
I work as a personal chef. Today we're making this super quick, high protein spinach gnocchi.
That took me 10 minutes.
The recipe is so simple. All you have to do is blend together spinach with cannellini beans, lemon, salt and pepper until smooth. Pan fry some chili and garlic and then add your gnocchi and saute until golden. Pour in your sauce, and then I like to finish it with vegan stracciatella, lemon zest, chili and olive oil.
The head chef has joined me for this recipe. We will need cannellini beans. Wait, Mummy, drain this out and then you can pour it in, okay?
No. Our chef is trying to run away.
She's escaping.
What's this?
Bunny.
Meow, what's this?
Yeah.
Pour the beans in this one.
Whoa.
Crow. Put it in. Yummy, okay, put it in. That is great work. You are putting it in so nice. Pour it in. Okay, it's not gonna fit. Maybe we blend a little bit.
Oh my God.
Oh, Lala.
She
Good
said
job, good job.
efficiency.
Mummy's little helper.
Wow.
Now we need to add in some lemon. You wanna squeeze? Squeeze.
No.
Mummy will squeeze it. Do you wanna put in the salt then, Lila?
What's that?
It's pepper. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to go blend this because I can't plug it here, but Lila, you entertain everyone.
Ribbit.
Froggy.
Froggy.
I love you.
I love you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Our head chef is on a little break. So I blended it, but it kind of looks a little bit chunky. Like hers looks silky smooth. Ours is a thick sauce. With the gnocchi that I bought, I meant to cook it for 2 minutes in boiling water, so it depends on which one you have. If you have fresh gnocchi, maybe you can just throw it in like she did, but I need to cook mine. Okay, my gnocchi's floating, means it's ready. Butter.
Wow.
Make sure your pan isn't wet. In goes garlic and chili. I feel like I need more butter. In goes my gnocchi.
I don't know why, but the shape makes it look like
Little bugs.
Right?
Little silkworms. Not gonna lie, this is my first time cooking gnocchi.
Same.
Man, her sauce is so silky smooth, but I think it's because she used a proper blender and I just used this. Or maybe because like she had frozen cubes of spinach. I don't know. How much do we add? All of it. Mixing it up.
Wow, it's so saucy.
I feel like I just made like a spinach soup with a side of gnocchi because the ratio is a little bit off. Smells pretty good. Let's just add in some lemon zest. FYI, I shouldn't have sliced my lemons because now it's hard to grate. Oh, there we go. You can see some. And then we're going fancy. I'm adding a burrata ball. Whoa. I pictured it to be a lot more aesthetically pleasing.
It is what it is.
It is what it is now. Once it's mixed with the cheese, it actually looks really good.
Better.
It looks better. You want to try, Lala?
Like that.
It's gnocchi, it's pasta. Okay. Cheers.
I kind of don't really know what I'm tasting.
There is a little bit of a kick to it. Fresh, I would describe it as. Cheers. Ding. Do you like it?
Yummy?
Let me eat, okay?
That's a no.
It's growing on me actually. I feel like the flavor is quite subtle, but I do like the zestiness of it. So it's quite like fresh. It keeps you... Oopsie. What's that, Layla? That's salt. It's pink salt. You just poured the pink salt all over the table.
I like it. Maybe because it's very cheesy.
We made it very cheesy.
It's super duper cheesy.
I want to say it definitely tastes like a healthy dish, guys. I don't feel bad or guilty eating this. In terms of how long it took, it depends on your gnocchi, but to be honest, it didn't take us that long, even with Lila's help. This dish deserves a 1.5 thumbs. It's not like getting 2 because it doesn't wow you at first, but then it kind of grows on you. Here's a 10-minute sweet treat.
Here's how to make mini chocolate chip cookies in just 10 minutes. Whisk together melted butter, light brown sugar and granulated sugar until fully combined. Then add 1 egg and vanilla and whisk these in. Add plain flour, bicarbonate of soda and salt and fold these in. Then fold in your chocolate chips. Scoop up about a tablespoon of the dough and roll it into a ball. Then place on a cookie sheet and bake in the oven for around 5 minutes. Let them cool slightly and that's it.
This one's for all you soft, chewy cookies out there. It's like the opposite of being a tough cookie. I'm a soft, chewy cookie. Okay, in goes our melted butter. For some reason, it looks like condensed milk or something. Then we're doing 150 grams of brown sugar. Man, that's a lot of sugar. Let's add a little bit less. And then more sugar, because, you know, we love the sugar. Disclaimer, we're putting a little bit less than the recipe. This is why baking scares me. When I see the amount of sugar in some of these recipes, I'm like, but I also want it to taste good, so I'm like, mix that together. I mean, butter and sugar, how can it not smell good?
Crack an egg.
Where's my eggs? You look like a housewife, Zen. 1 egg. Bloop. Do a little bit of vanilla extract.
Okay, whisk.
Then in goes 200 grams of flour. Almost there.
It went over.
We're just over by 20 grams. Should be okay, right? Should we scoop it?
Okay.
Okay, that's pretty good. How much salt? Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda.
Now I'm gonna whisk that together. Hers looks way drier than ours. Okay, where's that flour that we scooped out? Let's put you back in. Like, we need to be able to mold them into cookies.
I feel like it's getting there.
It's getting there. This is why I don't bake. I am not good at this. How is this taking us more than 10 minutes? Kinda?
Ish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ish.
Okay.
I mean, I feel like that will stay in the shape. Right, okay.
Choc chips!
Dump some choc chips in.
We're doing milk and dark.
We couldn't decide. You fold it in, you fold it in. Do you think we can eat this? Sometimes people eat like the cookie dough batter.
Yeah, but I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm scared too.
Do we add more? Or
Yeah, let's add more. We're gonna use our air fryer because I don't have an oven. I don't have an oven in this new kitchen, guys. We had to cook our cookies for a little bit longer, 5 minutes longer to be exact, so 10 minutes all up. They look like cookies. Do they look like her cookies? No. They look decent. They look decent. They're a little bit odd shaped. These are artisanal choc chip cookies.
Wow. I want this one. I can see many choc chips.
Okay.
wanna-
They're very warm still. I think I'm gonna like
I wanna break it.
Ooh, okay.
It's kind of like bready.
What? What?
Oh my god, it's so good. I don't know if it's because we air fried it, but the outside is like really crispy and the inside's like kind of moist and bready.
Wow. The texture is different to when you make cookies in the oven. I think that's when you get that more like chewy, stretchy, kind of like doughy inside. But with this one, because we made it in the air fryer, it's crispy all around and inside it's just like fluffy.
I love it.
And even though we did cut down the amount of sugar, they're still very, very, very sweet.
It's super sweet.
Oh my god, I cannot stop.
Lucky we're doing a second batch. This with some ice cream, oh, it would be so bomb. Even though it took us 10 minutes to make the batter, another like 5 minutes to like troubleshoot and question our lives, and then another 10 minutes to cook it, it is a pretty good recipe. Though it took us what, double the amount, triple?
Yeah, it took us a lot of time.
It took us like half an hour to make it, guys. Actually wonder, how long does it normally take people to make chocolate chip cookies?
Maybe if you're a good baker, it takes like really fast, right? You're like bam bam pow.
What is the standard time to make chocolate chip cookies?
I want to do this.
Hands down, it's a double thumbs up.
Dude, that was good.
That was actually a good one take. Don't forget to thumb this video.
You know, two-way, you got this, you got that. But we'll do it three-way.
How do we slap
Go
each other
backwards.
3 ways?
Go
What about Zen? Okay, go.
Then
This
we-
is not
so when we
working.
slap-
Ow! Don't forget to... Don't forget to thumb this video.
That was so lame.
I mean, that was our side issue.
Okay, we'll just keep it. We'll keep it.
Let's just give Alf one.
One choreography. He gets to be the head choreographer this time.
You gotta let him shine.
We should make it flat.
Flatten them out a little bit more. Oh my god, they're all touching. I need to show you. Oh my god, the second batch.
But it looks good though.
It looks good, but
I'm hungry again.
tell me you're not a baker without telling me you're not a baker. What is this?
I don't know, but it looks yummy.
Alright. I'm so glad we ended on a high note because actually we have been on a high.
We have always been on the high.
This episode has been an absolute hit, guys, and I'm so glad we ended with the amazing choc chip cookies. Even though ours don't belong in a store, they belong in our stomachs. If you guys want to see more TikTok cooking recipes, do check out our playlist. Click the video on screen and don't forget to subscribe. We shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Yeah, I'll offer you guys our...
You get the long one.
You guys get the long one.